Okay, good morning to all of you. I hope that you are feeling so good today. Thanks God. Okay, so in this occasion, or first of all, remember that my name is Brandon Viveros. Okay, I'm doing my English degree in the University Corporation of the Caribbean in Colombia. Okay, so in this occasion, I'm going to explain to you just two things. Okay, a grammar and an important thing that is something that is interesting for all speakers of the language. Okay, so we are going to or I'm going to emphasize the linking sound, and the grammar is gonna be demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so I want to emphasize to you, or I want to explain to you a short about what is the meaning of linking sound. Okay, the name say everything. Okay, linking sound. Okay, linking sound is when we are going to join some pronouns that we use when we are speaking, okay, with different words. Okay, example, there is a rule when we want to use the linking sound. So when we have two words, example with two words. Okay, so if I have a word that finish or ends in a consonant sound, and I have another word that this is gonna begin with a vowel sound. It's going to be, or we can make here a linking sound, cause consonant plus vowel. Okay, so I can say example this, and I can say this and right. This is an apple. Example like this. This is an apple. Okay, it's like this. I'm not going to say this is an apple. This is an apple. Okay, it's easier. If you can see, or if you can listen to me very well, I pronounce just one. Okay, I said a word. Okay, this is an apple. This is an apple. It's different when I say this is an apple. This is an apple. Okay, so let's begin with demonstrative pronouns. So demonstrative pronouns are when we want to show someone what are we emphasizing or what are we talking about. Okay, so and we have in this unit I will learn to listen this, read through the objective with students, explain each in more details as needed. Okay, so and I have two goals and two explanations. So and the first goal is describe my possessions. Okay, my possessions. When I say my possession are my things. Okay, so explanations, say tell about the favorite things you have, explain what makes those things special. Okay, a special thing that are for you. Okay, when I say special things, okay, we have to, okay, let's raise awareness that is not when that you are going to say my father, my mama, my brother. No, they aren't. Okay, they are not here. Are things. Okay, example fans, backpack, cell phone, laptop, televisions, and so on. Okay, so and the next one is okay, use the demonstrative pronouns with the grammar this, that, this, and those. Okay, so let's use it. So I have a title for this topic, and it's called, I've given it like my things, cause we are emphasizing here just in things. Okay, special things. So in the first picture we can see a girl that she has in her left hand she has a coffee, and in her right hand she has a cell phone. Okay, so and the sentence say, my name is Lauren. I love my smartphone so much. I use it to play games and chat with my friends. Okay, so she said that she uses her cell phone to chat with her friends and play some video games. Okay, so in the second picture we can watch a boy that he is riding a bike. Okay, and the sentence say, hi, I'm John, and this is my bike. It's the most important possession or thing that I own. When I say own is when I say, okay, it's a different word when I say that I have. Okay, I write it to school every day. He goes to school every day riding his bicycle. Okay, so in the next picture we have, I'm Rosa. This necklace was a birthday present from my best friend Steve. Look, it's her. She has one half and I have the other half. Okay, so she have a part of the hair and her best friend has another one. So in the last picture we have or we can watch a boy that he's playing or he's using his laptop. Say, my name is Miguel. uh, I share this laptop with my brothers. Our laptop is very important because we use it for homework. Okay, good, it's a good idea. So he uses or they use the laptop to look for new information or to do homework. Okay, so in the grammar, as I told you before, we are using the demonstrative pronouns. So we have, and here say, this, that, this, and those are demonstrative pronouns. They point to some. Okay, maybe when we want to explain some nouns in a sentence. Okay, when we want to show someone something. Okay, the following chart show that the demonstrative pronouns can be singular or plural. Okay, so in singular we have this and that. Okay, this is when we are talking about something that we have in our hands. Okay, something that we have. Okay, example, cell phone. But when we emphasize something that is singular, it's just one. This is my cell phone because here I have just one and I have it in my hand. So and the next one is that. That is something is just a thing, but you don't have it in your hands. It's something that is far from you. This is something or is just one, but you have it. It's something near to you. But that is something far from you, but it's just a thing. Okay, I can say this is my cell phone. That is the door. Okay, so in plural one we have this and those. Okay, this is different when I say this. Okay, or okay, with the first one, this is just one, and this is not one. Are 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, I can say these are my cell phones, example, and those are things that are far from you. Okay, it's the same when it's the plural one when I use the singular one that is that. Okay, those are doors. Okay, so but there is a rule. When when we use the singulars, we after the singular we are going to use the indefinite article that is a or an. This is a. This is an. That is a. That is an. Okay, that is an office. That is a car. Okay, like that. Okay, and with this and those we say these are cell phone. This and those. After them we are going to use are. That is a plural. And after are maybe you can use some. These are some cell phones. These are some cell phones. Okay, or I say when something is far from you. Okay, not something, a lot of things. Okay, those are some books. Okay, those are some books. Okay, next one. So there are 4 pictures here and explain something. Go. The first one is this is your laptop. Okay, this is your laptop. Here I use this because it's something that he has in his hand. Okay, it's something that is near him. Okay, or her. The next one, that is not mine. That is not mine. That is not mine. Okay, the baby shows that it's something that he doesn't have in his possession. It's something that maybe is far from him. Okay, so the next one, these are my dogs. These are my dogs. Okay, Cause here I don't say this is my dog because I'm not telling that I have one. I'm telling that I have four of them. These are my dogs, okay? So, and the last one is those are beautiful buildings. Those are beautiful buildings, okay? Buildings, cause there are a lot of. So, next one. Here I have a short activity. So, in the first one, or in this activity, you are going to show what is the correct one that we have to use for the sentence. Okay, so in the first one we have laptop is expensive. What you think is the correct? This or those? Perfect. Is this, okay? This laptop is expensive because I'm telling that is just one a laptop, okay? This laptop is expensive. So the second one, strawberries are delicious. Strawberries are delicious. What's the correct? The correct, excuse. Perfect. Okay, here is the point B. This, because I'm telling strawberries. Strawberries. I didn't say strawberry. Strawberries. There are a lot of, okay? These strawberries are delicious, okay? So, the third one. What you think? This or this? Choose her, my feet. Choose her, my feet. Okay? Yes. The most correct. The most correct is the point B. This shoes her, my feet. Okay? Because shoes are okay. They are a pair. Okay? Pair of shoes. Okay? So the fourth one is a picture of my friend lady. This or this? Perfect. Is the point A. This is a picture of my friend lady. Okay? It's just a picture. And the last one are smartphones. Are smartphones. Those or that? Perfect is the point A. Those, because I said okay, smartphones. Phones. I didn't say smartphone. Smartphones. Those are smartphones. Okay, is that? So, Linkinson, as I said to you before, is the use of consonant plus vowel. Okay, so here I have three sentences so that we practice and we can see it in a better way. So, the first one we have that is a car. That is a car. Okay, here I'm not using the Linkinson. That is a car. Okay, 4 words. But if I want to use the Linkinson, I'm going to make the contraction. So like this. There is a, okay, there is a car. Okay, I can say there is a car, or I say that is a car. There is a car, or I say that is a car. Is a car, excuse me, okay? But I can use it in another way. I can say that's a car. That this is the contraction of that and is. That's a car. That's a car. And with this, we can realize that I said or I pronounced just 2 words. Okay, that's a car. That's a car. Linkinson helps so that we speak faster. Okay, so in the second one we have take an orange juice. Take an orange juice. So Linkinson here we can use take a orange juice. Take an orange juice. Take an orange juice. Okay? So, no Linkinson, we have 4 words. Take an orange juice. Take an orange juice. Okay? Here we have 3. But I can make another one. Take an orange. Take an orange. Take an orange juice. Take an orange juice. Okay? So, Linkinson, they don't have a limit. Okay? You can make a lot of Linkinson. depending